Nilfisk introduces the world-famous GD930 vacuum cleaner, a well-known workhorse that has been cleaning the world for more than 40 years. The GD930 series is the epitome of Nilfisk quality, which is why the GD930 is many customers' preferred choice, year after year. GD930 vacuum cleaner is easy to use and first and foremost durable. With an efficient motor, high filling capacity and exceptionally robust design, it is no wonder why the cleaner is chosen by thousands and passed on through generations. The GD930 is all about well-proven efficiency and is appropriate for everyday use in most commercial environments. The dust bag in the GD930 series has a high filling volume which saves you money. Furthermore, it is easy and hassle-free to change. GD930 is available with a fine HEPA filtration that ensures